Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just gonna be showing you how to do a good braid out on relaxed hair. And yeah, this is the first time I'm doing it since I went natural, so I'm just gonna use the same technique but a little bit different, less product, and yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna use only the leave-in conditioner and Jack leave-in conditioner. I would have used like an oil if my hair was like freshly washed, but yeah, I'm gonna have my wash day tomorrow, so I just think I'm just gonna use this. And I do not want to waste product, so let me show you what I do. Okay, so the first thing I do is that I section my hair. I always section my hair, like whether it's combing or washing. I like to section my hair. I think it's like one of the thing in my routine that I always do, because I'm like 2 months post relaxer, so if I don't section my hair, it's really hard to comb. And I think that's where my limit is. Like once I reach the 2 month mark, my hair gets a bit more difficult to manage, like the two textures. So yeah, I just like how I always take the time to section my hair. I also take the time to like make sure I just run my hands through it, because sometimes I just miss, like I think my comb is like misses some like shedded hair, so I'm able to like remove it so that the braid out like turns out much better. So I'm back. So you'll notice that I did about 6 braids, because I don't want too much definition. The smaller that you do, the more defined your hair will be. So if you have about like 10 to 15 braids, your hair is gonna be like super defined. But I just want a bit of definition and like more volume to play with. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. And as you can see, I do have a bit of bleached ends left, so yeah, I think it's like super straight, so it keeps unraveling, so I'm just gonna let it be, and I'll be back once my hair dries. So this is how my hair looks. As you can see, it's got quite a definition. It's quite soft. The longer you leave your hair in braids, the more defined it will be. So I know that like leaving my hair in cornrows for like 2 weeks when I'm wearing wigs gives me the most ball mass braid out. But yeah, I'm not waiting for 2 weeks. I was, plans and places to go, so I was just okay with waiting an hour. And this is the curls that I got, quite loose, and it's easy to style, and it shows like a bit of my length, so I'm happy with that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and drop a comment below on how you do your braid out.